The Obama administration is asking the Supreme Court to overturn an appeals court decision that upheld Arizona's right to punish employers for hiring illegal aliens. The Arizona law gives the state the right to suspend or terminate business licenses.
If you hire a person in this country illegally, knowingly, you'll lose your license. First offense, 10 days. Second offense, revocation, never to do business in the state of Arizona again.
The administration apparently worries letting that law stand would leave in place a precedent that states have a legitimate role in enforcing immigration laws, a notion the administration fiercely opposes.
The argument that the Justice Department is making here is, the fundamental question, which is, where does state authority begin and end when it comes to federal immigration law?
The Arizona statute relies on a law passed by the U.S. Congress in 1986, which made clear federal law preempts the states on immigration, but it left one exception. The provisions of this section, it said, preempt any state or local law imposing civil or criminal sanctions other than through licensing and similar laws upon those who employ unauthorized aliens.
But Congress said very clearly that licensing and similar laws can be used to impose consequences on employers who hire unauthorized aliens at the state level, and that's exactly what Arizona did.
Oddly enough, the law in question was signed in 2007 by then Arizona Governor Janet Napolitano, now President Obama's Homeland Security Secretary. Not only that, but the law was upheld by the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco.
The Ninth Circuit is generally regarded as one of the more liberal circuits in the United States, and so the Obama administration evidently believes that the Ninth Circuit's view on this question is too conservative.
And this is yet another issue in the ongoing tug-of-war between Washington and the states, especially Arizona.
The idea that states can't be involved in immigration law in any way is wrong. The states have always had a role to play in immigration enforcement. The tricky part is defining where that authority begins and ends.
Defenders of Arizona think federal law is on their side, but that the administration feels compelled to challenge the state law for fear that if it stands as a precedent, more and more states might take action on their own, and the administration would lose control. Brett?
Jim, thanks. We'll take a